Describe Will when he's angry. Pag nagagalit po siya, tahimik, tapos iko-corner ka niya sa isang sa isang lugar. Then kakausapin ka niya na masinsinan. Ganon. Hindi siya yung tipo ng ibang tao na ipapahiya kapag galit. Ganyan siya. Pag tumahimik na siya, it means galit na siya. Aray ko po. Hot-sit kagad ako dun, sir, ha?
So, in short, pag galit ako, tahimik ako.
Opo.
Mas okay yan kaysa pag galit, blah, blah, blah. Then I'd be mad, right?
Yes. And then, tahimik na din po ako pag tumahimik siya.
Tama. Eh, kasi, pag galit ako, I internalize and I try and calm myself down kaysa lash out and then put all that hate on you and everyone else, diba?
Tama po. And then parang sa tagal ko dito, sa 3 years ko na, 2 times lang po siya nagalit sa akin.
Bakit ba?
Noong time na anong tawag dito? Yung nakakainis lang din po kasi sa iyo. Ako ang nainis. Hindi, pag stress po siya, sa kanya minsan binabato yung stress niya. Then minsan ako, yung stress niya sa akin, parang akala niya nagiging pasaway ako sa kanya. Akala niya hindi po ako nakikinig sa kanya. Pero hindi niya alam na stress din ako. Wala lang akong mapagbatuhan din ng stress ko. Tapos, yun lang. Parang 2 beses lang tayo nagkaganon po. Noong una, dito tayo nag one-on-one.
Recently?
No.
This year?
No. After New Year. Tapos, parang may gagawin tayo. January 2, hindi ako nakabalik. Then, minan-on-one mo ulit ako sa sasakyan. Then, sabi mo, nagiging pasaway na ako.
You were pasaway there. You were definitely pasaway there.
Tapos, umiyak ako sa iyo ng todo-todo.
Oo.
Tapos, nagsabi na po ako sa inyo noon na, Sir, gusto ko na pong mag-resign. Nag-decide ako agad mag-resign. Kasi feeling ko, ayaw ko na kumbaga, ako yung magiging cause nung
stress ko.
Parang ganon. Tapos parang feeling ko, parang puro mali yung ginagawa ko sa trabaho ko. Parang ganon. Kaya parang,
it's not that you were doing stuff wrong in trabaho. If it's you were doing stuff wrong in your personal life. At dinadala mo yung personal life sa trabaho, which stressed me out. Kasi rule number 1 is do not bring your personal drama into my life.
Yes.
I have enough drama at that time.
Yeah.
I had enough drama in my life. I don't need your drama with your
ganon.
Kung anong nangyayari sa buhay mo that it doesn't involve me. I don't need that in my life. So that's what that was about. And
opo.
Yeah, hindi tayo
wala
yeah, we
tayo.
solved that problem.
Yep.
Because kung may problem, as I always tell you, there's always a solution. You find a solution.
Then dapat yung sinasabi mo nga sa akin noon na lagi-lagi na kailangan may communication.
Yeah, you always need to over-communicate. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Parang it's like a relationship, just like a girlfriend and a boyfriend. To avoid miscommunication or fights or misinterpretations, mga ganon, you have to over-communicate. And yeah, that all started with, going back to what you said, Shavina just didn't show up for work one day. And then I was like, where are you? And then sinabi mo, I'm in Tanay Rizal or something. And have you ever heard me sumigaw?
No.
At anyone?
No. Hindi po. Ikaw yung galit na kalmado.
Yeah, because I'm trying to think of if I've ever yelled, and I just can remember like yelling at my sister many years ago. Yun lang. My sister's the only person I think I'll yell at.
Opo. Sa akin nga hindi mo.
Yeah,
basta pag galit siya or something happened, pag alam kong nakayuko na po siya ng ganyan, alam ko na yun.
Hindi ako sumisigaw kasi
hindi naman maayos.
I don't know. It's just not. It's not. I don't feel like it's the right way to react to something.
Hindi kasi the more na magsisigawan, the more na magkakaroon ng...
Exactly. It just adds fuel to the fire. Hindi
Opo.
siya nakakatulong. Kaya that's why I think hindi ako sumisigaw.
Opo.
Siyempre, nung bata pa ako, I'm sure I yelled and everything. Pero as you age in life, you learn what is the right way to
Right way,
react.
opo.
How do you resolve the problems,
problems.
and make it better, diba?
Opo.
Like we're not trying to add to the
Add.
fire. We're always trying to extinguish it.
Kaya nga
Diba?
sabi po 'di ba nila, sa isang relationship pag nag-away kayong dalawa, kailangan yung isa kalmado. Kung yung isa nakita mong super intense na, ikaw dapat yung
For me, I think if you're intense and you get super angry, I think you need to work on yourself.
yeah, kasi tapos ito pa po. Pag angry ka kasi, lahat nung words na masasabi mo sa taong kagalit mo na dapat hindi mo masasabi mo. Then, at the end, marirealize mo sa sarili mo na mali yung ginawa mo, pero hindi mo na siya pwedeng bawiin kasi nasabi mo na siya.
Tama. Ma-realize mo pag kalmado
Na. Opo.
what you really mean. Kasi minsan when you're mad, you don't really mean what you're saying, and you shouldn't speak when you're super emotional.
Yeah. Even,
You shouldn't make decisions when you're super emotional.
Opo. Even, happy. Pag extreme happy ka, syempre,
Yeah.
na kapag gawa ka ng decision na hindi rin pala tama.
Correct. It's like being in love, diba?
Opo.
When you're in love, you're so happy, and you
Yeah.
just make decisions
Decisions.
na hindi naman practical all the time or logical. You're just happy, and you're like,
Ganun, opo. Parang ako, di ba?
yeah.
Pero
You want to go
syempre,
into that or no? Okay, next.
did siya bubu-witness?
If you liked what you saw and you want to listen to the full episode, then download Spotify and follow us at Superhuman with Will Dasovich. It's completely free, it's linked below and easy to use.